Good morning, students. Today I will discuss the topic of features or characteristics in the plural sense or numerical data. As you know, plural sense means the data which is collected in numerical form. It is known as plural sense. Main characteristics of statistic in numerical data are as follow. First point is aggregate of fact. Aggregate of fact means it is related with the average. For example, it is stated that there are 1000 students in our college, then it is not statistical significance. But if it is stated that there are 300 students in arts faculty, 400 in commerce faculty, 300 in science in our college, it means it is a statistical information where we will find out the average of the student in every field. It is aggregate of fact. Now second point is numerical expressed. Statistics are expressed in terms of number, that is quantitative information. Here we will not take the information which are related with the qualitative aspects like small or big, rich or poor. These are not statistics. For example, to say Irfan Pathan is tall and Sachin is short has no statistical sense. However, if it is stated that height of Irfan Pathan is 6 feet and 2 inch and that of Sachin is 5 feet 4 inch, then these numerical will be known as statistics because these are expressed in numerical form. Now third point is affected by multiplicity of causes. Here we will find out many of the factors which influence the various ways. For example, 30% rise in price may have been several causes. अगर कहते हैं कि 30% प्राइस जो है वो राइज हुआ है टोमेटो का, व्हाट आर द रीज़न, उसका क्या रीज़न हो सकते हैं? देयर आर सेवरल रीज़न. रिडक्शन इन सप्लाई, सप्लाई में रिडक्शन हो सकता है, इंक्रीज इन डिमांड हो सकता है, या फिर शॉर्टेज पार हो सकता है, राइज इन वेज हो सकता है, राइज इन टैक्स भी हो सकता है. देयर आर सो मैनी कॉजेज विच इफेक्ट फॉर द other commodities. Another example we will take, for example, agriculture of rice is not good. There will be several reasons. Maybe seed is not good quality, maybe rain is not appropriate level is not there, रेन अच्छे से नहीं हुई, वाटर सप्लाई में कमी है. देयर आर सो मैनी रीजन्स फॉर रिडक्शन इन द राइस. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज रीजनेबल एक्यूरेसी. Reasonable degree of accuracy must be kept in view while collecting statistical data. Whenever we collect the information, it should be accurate. It's depend upon the nature and size of data, which kind of data you are taking. It should be in small size and resources should be available for the collecting of statistical information. So there will be reasonable accuracy. Reasonable accuracy means जो आपने डाटा कलेक्ट किया वो ठीक होगा। अगर आप डाटा को स्मॉल साइज में ले रही हो और वहाँ पे रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल है। नेक्स्ट है 5th पॉइंट, प्लेस्ड इन रिलेशन टू ईच अदर। Such numerical alone will be called statistics as are mutual related and so comparable. If you are comparing with the quality, then it is not called as statistics. If you are comparing with the quantitative, then it is called as statistics. Yes, next point is 6th point, predetermined purpose, predetermined objective. Statistics are collected with some predetermined objective. Any information collecting without any definite purpose will be only numerical value, not statistics. So the purpose of collecting information, collecting data should be clear to all the statistician. Next point is enumerated or estimated. Statistics may be collected by enumeration or the same be estimated. For example, 1 lakh people attend the rally addressed by the Prime Minister in Delhi and 2 lakh in Mumbai. These statistics are based on estimation. This is based on estimation. For example, it can be verified by enumeration whether 20 students are present in class or 10 workers are working in a factory. This is also based on estimated. This method will be appropriate. Okay. Next point is collected in a systematic manner. The information or data which is collected by the economist or statistician or investigator, it should be collected in a systematic way. They should know what the first question should be asked by the investigator. For example, data regarding the marks scored by the student of a college without any reference to the class, subject examination or maximum marks will lead no conclusion. There should be appropriate information which data you are collecting. Okay, and this is should be systematic way.